Now I'm going to secure the jambs into the door opening, and as you can see, this can move around, so I want to make sure that that is nice and straight this way. So I'll take some shims. I could use traditional shims like this, or I could use flat shims, which might be a good option. I'll start with these, see how it works out. A bunch in here. Kind of like that. Now I'm going to take a 4-foot level and hold it against the trim like this. And then I can take my square, just to be sure. You could probably do this by eye, but I wouldn't have been able to tell that. And make sure it's going to be square. And I can nail it. This side, that's good. I also want to make sure that this is flush. The other side, close to where I want it. Then I'll do some right in the middle. You can do as many as you want. I think that'll be fine. The trim will hold everything else in place. I'm going to cut these shims because I'm running out. And we can do the top.